Welcome, champions. I am so excited. We are at the end of the course and we are going to test our knowledge. Congratulations for sticking with me till the end. I hope you like the course and we are going to take the quiz right now. So, take the quiz. It's a type form. Make sure you use the same email address that you have used, right? Please provide your n8n forum username. The way to find this is, let's go to our n8n forums. Where is our n8n forum? Forums, n8n community. We go over here and we go to our profile. So we come to forums, we go to our summary, and you go to preferences. If you see, this is my username. Be very careful, put the exact username, because if you see, I wanted AI Champions, it was not available, so I got AI Champions 1. So we're going to use AI Champions 1. We go back to test our knowledge, to put AI Champions 1. Enter. Your unique ID was emailed to us, and our unique ID, this is our unique ID, very important to put it in, or else you will not get credits, you'll not get your badge. All right, quiz on theory. We are going to answer 13 questions. Perfect. What can you do if there is no n8n node for an app or service? So we did not have an n8n node, so we used the HTTP request node, right? We use that node. That's why we're going to use HTTP request node. Let's keep going. Which of the following are the core nodes? So the webhook node, the if node, the schedule node. Telegram node is not a core node. So if you go back to your n8n, if you go to any workflow and if you go to your core nodes, this is where you're going to find out. So if you see, you have the webhook, HTTP, code nodes, and there are a bunch of other, but code, HTTP, webhook. So if you go back, and these are your flow nodes. If you go to our code, HTTP, webhook. Webhook is if node, schedule node. Choose as many as you like. So even though if node and schedule node is not inside the core nodes over here, I'm still going to select them because this is like Telegram is completely different node. It's not a core node, but anything which you use over here, it's kind of a core node according to me. So we are going to not look at the n8n, and I'm going to choose this. Let's see what happens. Which of the following are the trigger nodes? So schedule node is a trigger node, core node is not a trigger node, Airtable node, maybe. So if we go back, right, I'll show you why. So I can go back, I can add Airtable node. And if you see, Airtable node has a trigger on it, and that's why for me it is going to be Airtable node. Code node does not have, edit fields definitely does not have. So I'm going to choose OK. Where do you get credentials for app service nodes? So credentials, right? From the dark web, definitely not. From the perspective app or service you want to use, right? That's the only place you're going to get it. So, okay, you can download your workflows as .exes. No, we download our workflows as .json files. If I go to my downloads and if I show it to you, this is the JSON that we downloaded. So definitely a false. You can import your workflow from a URL or from a local. That's true. How does a core node execute? Executed once, or only once for all items, or once for every item. So both of them are true. There are only two options. in the code node, if you go over here, you'll see run all or run each. So definitely both of them are true. Let's keep going. What is the difference between the if and the switch? None. They are the same, not really. If node supports 2 conditional routes, the switch node supports unlimited conditional routes. So let's go back. Let's check this theory out. Right? Oh, wow. I don't need to go to Jenkins, sorry. All right, I'm going to create a new workflow over here. We're going to get a if node and we are going to get a switch node. And let's see what is the difference. So if you go to a switch if node, there is only a true and a false, so only 2, right? We can add a condition, we can add multiple conditions over there, like an and an or. However, the output is always going to be true or false, so only 2. However, with switch nodes, I can add as many routing rules as I want, which it acts as a router in Informatica or any ETL tool. So this is the router. With that said, if you go back, if node supports 2 conditional routes, switch node supports unlimited. All right. So what programming languages can you use in the code node? We can use JavaScript and we can use Python. There is no TypeScript, there is no any programming language. So we're going to use these two. What is the correct data structure? So in this case, as we know, JSON is a key value pair, right? So in this case, if you see over here, the curly bracket is outside. However, there is another square bracket inside. That does not make sense to me. So I don't think so that's the right one. JSON is outside with array inside and there are no curly braces. That doesn't make sense as well. So in this case, there is a square bracket outside, which is like an array. And inside there is JSON field with key and a value pair. So this is what looks correct to me. When executing the code node, you might get an error. Code doesn't return items properly. What is the reason for this error? The code in the code node doesn't return the data in the correct structure. The code node does not receive any incoming data, or the node needs credentials. So you might get an error, code doesn't return items properly. So most probably it has nothing to do with the incoming data. It's how the returns are happening. Credentials, no, code node does not need credentials. It's most probably this one. Let's keep going. We are at 15th. How many questions are there? You can only activate workflows that have a trigger node or a webhook node. That's true. We can only activate workflows that have trigger nodes or webhook nodes. That's right. What can be the reasons for node errors? A lot. The node credentials are missing, the node parameters are not configured properly, you do not have permission to use that node, it could be anything, So, well, this seems a little unlikely that you don't have permission to use the node, but quite possible. So I'm going to pick these two. Let's not sweat over it. Quiz on workflow. Now we will work again on Nathan's workflow, which you built. So this is practical. This is the practical quiz and we're going to take it.